Alright guys, I'm going to show you. It's hard to see, but right here there's a part number on this fan. Stroke of luck, I typed in the part number, and here come so there's one for 20, there's one for 10 and 16, so it's going to be an easy fix. See, the blade's cracked. When this was turning on and spinning, this blade was flattening out and digging in and slapping the shroud. And it was just one little quarter 20 nut holding it on. So it was real simple to take off. And so we'll get us another one on order. To start with, you just lift up this cover, and it should just lift off. And so you got some, I think this is 5/16 screws. You should have 3 on either side. I've already taken this out. I put a couple back in just to make sure it wasn't going to fall out while I was waiting on our fan blade. And it should have a sleeve in the wall, so it's not going to fall until you pull it on out.
You good? Our cord, yep.
So there'll be 2 of these little brackets right here. So you'll take this as a 1/4 inch. I think these are 1/4 inch as well. Take those 2 screws out. You can remove that bracket, and then there'll be there's a spider. So let's see. There's a screw right there. And there's also a screw on the other side underneath these wires that connected the base. And then there's 2 screws here on either side of this shroud. And then we'll take those loose and pull the shroud out. Come over here. And then so I think this is maybe a 1/4 inch nut you take off.
There you go. For a second I thought, oh gosh, he's ordered the wrong part.
You can see here where the fan blade, it had a crack, and whenever it would turn on, you could, I'll play a little clip of the noise that it was making, but it was flattening out as it would turn on, and it was digging into the shroud. So let's tighten that nut up, and we're going to reassemble it. So it's actually a 5/16.
Got it? You need me to hold something?
So we're going to plug it up real quick and check it now that before we stick it back in the wall.
Thank goodness.
Just makes it seal better there.
Well, that is not good.
Oh.
Has to go in the lid on that.
And so that's it for the assembly. And we're going to put
Stick it back
this
in the wall.
last screw and put it back in the wall. And we got to put our 6 screws around the outside edge and we'll be done.